Imagine a game that learns from you, adapting, evolving, and challenging you in ways you never expected. Enemies don't just follow patterns. They strategize, remember, and surprise you. The story isn't fixed. It branches and shifts with your choices, making every playthrough unique. This is no longer science fiction. It's the new reality of gaming, powered by artificial intelligence. We're entering an era where games are living worlds, not just puzzles to solve. For years, we exploited predictable AI. Now, what if the game exploited our patterns too? Picture stealth games with guards who set traps, or racing games with AI that blocks your favorite moves. AI transforms games into responsive, intelligent partners in play. We're moving beyond pre-programmed behaviors to digital minds that make their own decisions. Every session becomes a new adventure, unpredictable, immersive, and alive. As a creator, you're not just designing a game, you're building an intelligent system that grows. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Today, the tools to create these worlds are more accessible than ever. You don't have to watch this revolution, you can help shape it. Become the architect of the next generation of games that think. Leave your mark on the future of gaming. Many aspiring game developers start with passion, but quickly hit a wall. Online resources are scattered and unstructured, leaving you with gaps in your knowledge. You might master one skill, but miss the fundamentals, especially in AI. Most tutorials teach basic enemy behaviors, not the advanced AI that powers modern games. Self-taught projects often lack polish, performance, and industry best practices. This makes it tough to meet professional standards or pass technical interviews. The result? Frustration, burnout, and dreams left unfinished. Without a clear roadmap or support, the path to becoming a game developer feels overwhelming, especially if you want to build the intelligent games of tomorrow. Imagine a step-by-step roadmap guiding you from beginner to AI game creator. Our 12-month program is designed to build your skills logically, eliminating confusion. Each module builds on the last, connecting concepts for deep understanding. From day one, you'll focus on AI, not as an afterthought, but as the core of your learning. You'll learn to make games that think, preparing you for the future of the industry. We teach professional workflows, best practices, and teamwork used in real studios. You'll build a portfolio of impressive projects, not just learn theory. Expert instructors and a supportive community guide you every step of the way. Live classes, mentorship, and instant help keep you motivated and on track. You're not alone, you're part of a team, all working toward the same goal. This is your clear path to turning your dream into reality. Become an industry-ready AI game creator. To build the games of the future, you need the right tools and skills. Our program starts with Python, simple, powerful, and the leading language for AI. You'll master programming fundamentals, then dive into AI concepts like pathfinding, state machines, and behavior trees. We'll introduce machine learning, showing how games can learn and adapt. Next, you'll bring your ideas to life in Unity, mastering both 2D and 3D game creation. You'll write scripts in C#, control game objects, and build polished, playable worlds. We emphasize user interface and experience, ensuring your games are intuitive and engaging. You'll learn to create menus, HUDs, and onboarding that empower players. With these skills, your games will stand out, technically impressive and a joy to play. Become a developer who can build, design, and innovate. True mastery comes from building, not just learning. You'll create 7 substantial projects, each showcasing your growing expertise. Start with an AI pathfinding visualizer to understand algorithms in action. Build a 2D platformer with smart, state-driven enemies. Advance to a 2D stealth game with vision, hearing, and enemy communication. Move into 3D with a survival game featuring resource management and intelligent creatures. Create an AI-powered racing game with adaptive competitive opponents. Tackle a multiplayer FPS with AI bots, blending network programming and advanced AI. Your final capstone: build a custom AI engine from scratch. These projects form a powerful portfolio, proving your skill and dedication. Show the world what you can create. Completing this program opens doors to exciting careers in tech and gaming. Become a game developer or gameplay programmer, bringing mechanics and worlds to life. Specialize as an AI game engineer, designing the brains behind smart enemies and dynamic worlds. Studios need developers who can create believable, challenging AI, and you'll have those skills. Want creative freedom? Become an indie game creator, building your own intelligent games. Your skills also transfer to roles like technical artist, UI/UX designer, or even fields beyond gaming. AI expertise is in demand everywhere, from robotics to data science. You're not just preparing for one job, but a long, flexible career in technology. Choose your path and shape the future. The world needs creators like you. You've seen the future of gaming: intelligent, adaptive, and alive. You know the obstacles: scattered learning, lack of AI focus, and the gap to professional quality. But now, you have a solution: a clear, structured path to becoming an AI game creator. Our 12-month program offers live classes, expert support, and a hands-on approach. It's an investment in your future, a chance to turn passion into a profession. Imagine the thrill of seeing your AI code come to life, or launching a game that surprises players. This journey is challenging, but the rewards are immense. The time for just playing is over. The time for creating has begun. Every great developer started with a single step. This is your moment. Don't let your dream stay a dream. Take the first step today. Enroll, embrace the challenge, and start your journey. The future of gaming is waiting for you to build it. Let's create games that think together.